Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how ridiculously easy and scary it is to create content, an animated poster like this, in our system using Canva, and of course the WorldCAST platform, PrintCAST. And even make the animated video right inside Canva, and have these buttons that are in the video be interactive when you touch them. Let's do this. Alright, first and foremost, we're going to delete this cast here. Remove, delete. Alright, so what you want to do to create content is you're going to go to studio.worldcast.io and you're going to pick PrintCAST and you're going to go freemium. We're going to call this Halloween. Now you can upload your own image. I'm just showing you how you can use Canva as well. We're going to go design on Canva. In this case, I'm already going to pick a design I've already made. Or actually, I've picked one of the templates and modified it a bit. I'm going to go to my designs. I'm going to pick this one right here. And I'm going to go export to PrintCAST. What it's going to do right now is it's going to bring it into PrintCAST and analyze to see how good of a tracking marker it is. So there we go. It looks like it's going to be good enough. Let's go create. Good enough. It's like pretty much perfect. All right. So I'm going to go over to Canva for a quick second outside of WorldCAST because that's the only way you can actually make the MP4s in video. So you can go to Canva and go to all your designs. In this case, I can pick my design underneath all your designs, and I've grabbed this video. So here's my video elements. There's the Facebook, there's the TikTok, and here's the text that I've added animations to. It's all drag and drop and point and click and everything you could possibly want. They've got great templates, and you can quickly do things, and then you can just quickly export as a MP4. I think this is only available on the Pro version of Canva, but you can still use it in PrintCAST. Regardless if you pay for Canva, you can still create what I'm showing you for free in PrintCAST. Let's go back to WorldCAST and PrintCAST within the WorldCAST platform. So we're going to open up where we've saved our video. So here's our video that I've downloaded already. I'm going to drag and drop it over to the studio. I'm going to go proceed. I'm going to just scale it up to the size of the print. I'm going to go Sketchfab. I'm going to type in bat, so we can have that bat back. Show animate it. Just grab this one again. Import. Alright, let's make it a little bit bigger. Let's simply rotate it around. Let's make it so it points straight at us. Perfect. And I'm just going to go save. Save and publish. And we'll scan this QR code when it comes up. For those that are interested, I'm using eBeats music streaming so I can make some quick streaming music that I can royalty free and have some jamming tunes while I'm designing and rocking it out. I'm also using SnapCam as my video down here, and I'm using a filter by Snap itself called Fireskull. Alright, so let's scan this QR code. Let's go preview now. And all we have to simply do is aim at this poster. Okay. But we're missing the interactive buttons. Let's go do this. I'm just reloading the scene real fast to because we're about to do something else here. So I'm just gonna go play. So there we go. There's our TikTok and Facebook buttons that are in the video itself, not actually in our scene. So we're gonna go out to a folder here, and we're gonna grab this blank button PNG. Okay. There's nothing to see here because it's blank. We're simply gonna raise it off the canvas a bit, so you can see the size of it. There it is. I'm going to simply move it so it's dead center of that TikTok. And we're going to tell it to go to, well, TikTok. And we're going to, that's all we have to do. And we're going to go save. I don't need to scan the QR code again. I've already got it loaded. I'm just going to refresh my my browser. So it's going to tell me to line up the image. So if I move away from it, it'll come up and say line up image. I'll do that. It's going to pop up with the content, the bat, the video, and now the transparent PNG over top of the TikTok button, which we can put over top of Facebook, or anything you want, really, right? So I'm just going to tap that, and it's going to open up TikTok. Simple, right? So let's take it one step further. You notice that the first one I had a QR code on it. So let's do this. Let's go save. And we're going to save the QR code that's generated. And we're going to drag it back into Canva. So I'm just going to go save PNG. I'm going to open this up, show in folder. I'm just going to move this folder over here for a minute. Because I'm going to go return to studio. I'm going to go back to cast properties. It's analyzing the image again. We're going to go select new file. We're going to go edit on Canva. And we're simply going to take this QR code that we downloaded and simply drag and drop it right into Canva as well. And we're going to resize it. So now if you go to print off your poster, you have the QR code on it. You can obviously put the QR code wherever you want. I'm just going to place it here for now. I'm going to go export to PrintCAST. It's now going to export that new design. Now, when I go update here, after it's done, and go save, it can take up to 30 seconds for this image to reprocess on the server. So we're going to give it a few seconds before I actually go to scan it. I'll actually scan it right now. I'm just going to go preview now, but chances are it probably won't work yet. So there it is. It'll come up and say preview image, but the content may not be available yet. Well, we actually have another browser with if you have multiple browsers open with lots of cameras, you're going to get that white screen. Let's scan that QR code one more time. So if you ever see a white screen, you might have other browser windows with cameras running, like I just did. So there we go. Let's aim at this content. Yeah, it still hasn't processed yet. We'll give it another few seconds. This is one of the biggest things that we find out from people when they tell us that they think that maybe the system's broke or something. It's just honestly reprocessing that system, and it's a queue, so it may take up to a minute maximum. So let's give it a second. Let's just refresh that. But other than that, you can see how ridiculously scary fast this is. And there we go. So we have the QR code on there for scanning the poster and have it line up the image, and then having all that content that we already displayed. And of course, if you tap the Sketchfab button up in the top corner, this will give the attribution for the creator of that bat. And that's how fast it is to create an animated poster in PrintCAST using the power of Canva. As always, I can't wait to see what you create.